This is your worksheet session, children. Grammar worksheet 1. First Roman. Look at the underlined nouns in each sentence. Write if the noun is a person, place, or thing. One is done for you. In first Roman, you want to identify each underlined nouns by saying it is a name of person or place or thing. Listen the example, children. The shop is opened on Sunday. The shop is opened on Sunday. What is the highlighted word here? Shop. 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 Shop is a noun. You want to tell the shop noun comes under whether name of person or place or thing. See the answer? Shop comes under name of place. Like this, you want to solve for each questions in first Roman, children. We will see the second question. The car was in front of the house. The car was in front of the house. What is the highlighted word? Car. Car noun comes under which category, children? Whether person, place, or thing? It comes under thing. 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 Okay. Like this, you want to write. We will move to the third question. Third question. He was going to catch the ball. He was going to catch the ball. In third sentence, ball is the highlighted word. You want to tell whether it comes under name of person, place, or thing. Think it, students. Fourth question. He left his bag at the school. He left his bag at the school. In this fourth sentence, school is the noun which is highlighted. Now you tell children whether it comes under name of person or place or thing. Write the answer. Fifth one. I got two books from the library. I got two books from the library. In fifth sentence, library is the noun which is highlighted. You want to write whether it comes under name of person or place or thing. Are you clear, children? I hope you completed the first Roman. Now we will move to the second Roman. Second Roman, circle the nouns and complete the following sentences using the nouns from the given box. In the box, they listed some nouns. Below that, they given some sentence to use, children. You want to write the answer using these nouns. For example, this is my dash, her name is dash. We can answer like this is my sister. This is my sister. Her name is Sarah. You want to circle the noun in box also. Then you want to write the answer in the fill-ups. Second question. I like to eat dash. I like to eat dash. Same like first question. You want to circle the noun in the box. Then you want to write the answer. Third question. My pet is a dash. My pet is a dash. Fourth one, I like to play the dash. I like to play the dash. Fifth one, there are four dash near my dash. There are four dash near my dash. Sixth one, the dash smell are so good in the dash. The dash smell are so good in the dash. You want to circle the nouns in the box also, children. Don't forget it. Now we will move to the third Roman. Identify the pictures and write whether it is a common noun or collective noun. Here some nouns are listed, children. You want to tell whether it is a common noun or collective noun. First, what is common noun? It will not specify anything. It's say in a general way. Collective noun, it used to refer group of peoples, person or thing. Okay, that is the collective noun. First one, band of singers. See the picture? Band of singers. Whether it is a collective noun or common noun, children, it is a collective noun. COLLECTIVE, collective noun. Noun also you want to write N-O-U-N, collective noun. Okay, children, like this you want to fill the remaining nouns. Second one, teacher. 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 Now you say whether it is common noun or collective noun. Write the answer, children. Third one, homework. Homework. Whether it is collective noun or common noun. Think the answer and write it, children. Fourth one, lunch box. Fourth one, lunch box. Whether it is common noun or collective noun. Think it and write the answer, children. Fifth one, bundle of books. Bundle of books. Whether it is a collective noun or common noun. Okay, write it. Fourth Roman, write the suitable proper nouns for the common nouns. Write the suitable proper noun for the following common nouns. For this I will write one example to you, children. In left side some of the common nouns are listed. Right side you want to write proper noun. Listen, children. First one, boy. Boy is a common noun because it doesn't specify anything, it says in a general way. But in proper noun, we want to specify it. Am I right or wrong? Yes, we want to specify. So, we want to write any one boy name like Mahesh or Arun. Like this, we want to write any one proper noun. Second one, state. There are so many states. You want to write any one state's name, children. Third one, month. Like this, month is the common noun. You want to specify any one month name in the proper noun. Fourth one, movie. You want to list any one movie. Fifth one, holiday. Same, you want to write any one holiday name. Okay, children, complete your worksheet. Thank you.